Alright, I'm at Caesar's Wine and Liquor. I've been here in a hot minute. Let's go inside and see what they got. I hear they got a bundle I need to check out. Alright, well, I am at Caesar's Wine and Liquor. They are having their Weller foolproof drop. I don't know if they're going to be able to get it yet. May have to come back and get it, but we'll see what's going to happen here. But we will do a quick run through of everything that's in the store. We will go down through here and see what's going on, see if there's anything new. It's a new item for them, supposedly. Fantastic stuff. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna say it right. Calumet, 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 Calumet. All right, let's see here. We've got, someone said this tastes like a candy bar that someone threw up, or Snickers that threw up. I don't know about that. That's pretty interesting. I think we're gonna go with never trust a bottle that needs that big of a belt buckle to keep their label on. It's a staff pick here. I got a new riff sample last night. I can't wait to try. I have the Kentucky Owl that I'm excited about getting to try. So I've got a few samples that some friends hand delivered. And let's see, this campfire is great. I got a sample of it. I will someday purchase this. There's a lot of debate on whether I should say anything or not, so I guess I'll just pass on it this time, and then maybe some people will be, no, it's gross. It needs to be said, sorry. I think they may bundle this with the foolproof today, so I don't know. This is a store pick of the old Kirk, so that'll be interesting. They have the Weller, I do that every time. The foolproof 1792 store pick, which is pretty exciting. Smoke wagon, I'm going to breeze through that. I got a couple of samples. I think I have one sample of this Penelope I'm excited about trying. And I've got a ton of Bardstown that I'm just can't wait to go through. I've got just about everything. I don't know how I'm going to do that. All right, and there's all the Canadian Chris's stuff, all those rides for him. I am going to get a pour of this probably in the next couple weeks. Kind of excited about that. Nobody likes this, really. It doesn't seem like, but I do want to get one. I think maybe it might just be the lower end of it at a bar, but I'm going to try it. All right, there's that Russell's Reserve single barrel. And then we got Gentleman Jack and single barrel, which I've had. Had some of the Old Dominic. Got this. This is a Caesar store pick. I don't think I knew that was a store pick. Single barrel. Blue Note. I don't think they have any of they have a barrel of this coming, which is pretty exciting. I'll get some of that when it comes here for sure. Not had a bad Blue Note yet. All right, let's see here. Just regular Four Roses. I've got a bottle of mine now that I'm really enjoying. All right, let's see here. And I got some of these samples, and I'm going to start getting to try these officially. I've had a pour that I didn't know what I was drinking at the time. The labels got messed up, so I'm going to get to try some of these. I think I might have the cash strength of this, which is exciting. We'll get one of these this weekend. We have some bad weather coming. May not get to the store, but I'll get a small bottle of this. Still $30 for that little bottle. It's hard to get past the CFO. But I will be making the Old Granddad 114 and the Woodford Double Oak half and half Z-Man's drink. And Matt from Whiskey Wisdom. All right, store pick of this. No 1924 yet, but I hear the price is going to be 120 something. I don't know. That may be. I may have to rely on the kindness of strangers on that. Old Forester. I've had my brother has this, and we need to crack that open. So I'm going to use a lot of what. Whenever he gets something, he's free to share, or good with sharing. So heard some good things about these girls, or this distillery. It's run by some ladies, women. I don't know what I'm going to get canceled for referring to it the wrong thing. How cool is that? That'd be great on a t-shirt. Corsair, Bibb & Tucker. I've got I think I have this bottle at home. I need to crack it open. It's hard to drink all this stuff sometimes. You get so much of it. Is that what y'all were telling me to get? God bless. I gotta pay more attention. It's hard answering every question and every chat. And while I bring it up real quick, we have a Discord that is thriving. We have a lot of great people in there. One terrible person, I think it's me. We have several different channels. We have a really good tequila section that people talk about tequila, and we're starting a rum one. and just click on the description and come talk with us. Still got some of this Maker's Mark out here. I don't know, is this, let's see here. We also talked about having a drinking game every time I do the hyper zoom or say something stupid, which I don't know, I wouldn't want to watch one of my videos and then try to drive afterwards because I say a lot of stupid things. So I think I saw a store pick of this one. Oh, this is Caesar's store pick, so nice. All right, great bottle. Really one of my favorites from last year. I think I probably need to do a top 5 of my, since everybody else is doing it, but it's one of the few bottles I bought. There's Doc Swinson. I think mine would be 4 or 3 different stags in that bottle, and maybe one other. All right. There's the chicken, you know what. Let's see, no Founders. I missed my chance on that. We may never see any of that again. All right, 1793. We got the Woodinville. Got that Frank August. I've got a sample of that. I'm really excited about that. There's just regular old Granddad, and there's the Blackened, which I've not tried, but I'm not if I was a bigger Metallica fan. So a Cooper's Craft, don't sleep on that. For the price, you can't beat it. There's the Bro Brothers, which is fantastic. It has special meaning to us. For those who know, you know. There's my dad's juice, Kentucky Tavern. I heard a lot of interesting things last night on Mash and Drum about Buzzard's Roost. I think I may have to do some research on that and try some of those. Let's see, we got the Breckenridge, we got that Rival, and the Claremont Street, which I've only heard like one person say good things about. All right, there's the Starlight, and there's the Benchmark, and we got the Treaty Oak. I'm curious about that Black Maple Hills and the Nulu. I know that my buddy Dave just got some of that. The honey that's supposed to be fantastic. Alright, Red Eye, and then there's those. Right, let's go take a quick run down through the tequila, and then we'll see the Scotch. Let's see. Now this should be a better variety and selection of Scotch that we have around here. Oh man, there's a mirror there. Oh, excuse me, I don't have my hat on today. All right, let's see here. As always, I'm going to go a little fast through here because people lose their attention. I should start with the tequila and then go to the whiskey. Maybe more people would finish my videos. It seems like I get about halfway done with my videos. I don't know if it's because they get to the tequila or they get to the me talking about liking and subscribing. But you know what? Hey, while you're here, hit that thumbs up. It helps. And if you haven't subscribed, I just crossed 3232, I think, if you saw last night, which is fantastic. The more subscribers I get, the easier it is to do these videos. I just pull up, hey, this is what I do, and oh, nice, scary. I mean, that's scary. Anybody had that? Is it scary good? All right, let's go over here. Another quick scan through the tequila again. I think this might be some more of the higher end stuff. Now they have a TV playing over there where they have some of the higher end stuff, and we'll have to wait and see on that. Not of the tequila, but of the different. Sorry, someone was asking for waving at me, and I had to wave back. Of the higher end bourbons. So Glenfiddich. And as always, if there was something in here that I missed or didn't show, please let me know. Something I should have gotten. There's always something I should have bought. I should have always come in here and done it. So, all right. Laforgue Select, buddy Old Fashioned Ways was wanting to make a Stag Laforgue. I don't know, we need to come up with a name. I may have invented that. 80-20, 80 Stag, 20 Laforgue Select, and I think that you will not be disappointed. Be a smoky Stag, or maybe a barbecue Stag. or a Scottish stag. How about a Scottish stag? You guys tell me what would be the best name for that. So, all right. Should I go over here and see the Scotch? I mean, not the Scotch. We'll go over here real quick and I'll do a quick rum pass. We saw some of that yesterday. I think they have a little bit bigger rum section. So, all right, I'm gonna just pan out from here. All right. I'll go see what I can do and see what see if I can get one of these bundles or not. All right. Well, I'm over here about some of the store picks, and then who is this guy? Who's this guy? Is that Cutlass?
Hey, it's Cutlass, high proof.
So I'll tag him down there. This is my area. Why don't you get back to Mississippi? I'm just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. All right. Well, here is their bundle right now. They got the Weller Foolproof with the old Kirk, and then they've got this Foolproof. Do you have this one? Do you have this? You have that? Yeah. That's a fantastic store pick. I love their store picks here. They are fantastic at what they do. So here, just give some of the other prices over here, and then we've got some of these. There's the Foolproof. All right, and then I'm going to go over and take a look at one more thing, and then Cutlass had to cut out. So glad to see Cutlass. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to talk a whole bunch, because if I don't talk, the TV will bite me. I just want to have a good view of some of the other stuff that they have here. They've got the George T. Stag. Oh, looks like they've sold the Van Winkle. They've got one Pappy left. They got the Octomore, and they've got a few more of these others. They got that Lagavulin 12, which I would love to have. They got a Blanton Gold. They got the Glenlivet. They've got the Bullet Blacktop. They got some Wild Turkey. Got the Jameson 18. They've got the Old Owl. And oh, there's a Willet Purple Top. Well, maybe not technically a Purple Top, and some of those. So, and a few of the higher end quality tequilas. So, all right. Well, I will maybe do a little bit more video, or it might just stop right here. We'll have to see. So, all right, guys. Let's have a great day.